beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica, guys. So today, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the page and the Jamaican-Style face cooking over Facebook. Thank you for coming back to the page. And so guys, YouTube, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking the video. I really appreciate you for that, and I pray that God will continue to bless your hands as you big up the page, as you comment and subscribe. I'm also needing new subscribers. So if you come across this video, please subscribe, comment, and put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will receive it. So guys, for those of you who might see the first video I make about my plantain, getting my plantain prepared to do, for hydrating from my plantain flour. Yes, you come across and you see the same shirt, this one bonnet, I like to keep cover my head. I love to cover my head. So it's 2 videos in one day, guys. I'm making 2 videos in one day. So one is a cooking video and one is processing plantain to make plantain flour. So guys, check out the plantain flour video, the peeling and preparation for plantain, the plantain flour. And also today, guys, on the same day, I'm gonna make some sausage with tomato and callaloo and some white rice for dinner. Yes, guys, I haven't cooked in a couple of days. And the hubby want fresh food. Yes, madam, answer. So you know what? Let's get into this, guys, because I don't want this intro to be too long. And guys, for those of you watching my videos, I know that how the thing go, that I start my intro with my face and continue the rest of the process faceless. So guys, let's turn around the camera and go into, first we're gonna clean the callaloo, wash the callaloo and cut up the callaloo. So I'm gonna prep everything first before I start to cook. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Yes guys, so I'm gonna make some turkey sausage. I think this is beef, so I'm gonna make some beef mixed with turkey sausage. Yeah, and over here is my stuff that I'm gonna fry up all my beef and my turkey sausage in. So this is my sweet peppers, onion, tomatoes. So this is what I'm gonna cut up to fry up my sausage. And over here I have some white rice, parboiled white rice, parboiled. So guys, I love parboiled because it's easier to cook. When you cook parboiled, guys, you have to really put a lot of water in it to spoil it. So white rice is easier to spoil because you have to if you put too much water, it's gonna overcook. And if you put less water, you have to keep tipping water. Even the parboiled rice, you have to tip water in it. So if it's not fully cooked, you have to tip water in it to get it to steam. So guys, over the other side, I'm gonna show you just now. I have some callaloo that I get from my brother-in-law from 2 days ago, and I just set the callaloo in water, and this callaloo is so nice and green. You think that I just cut them. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, so here's the callaloo. Although backyard callaloo, guys, nice and clean. Nice and clean, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean them. Nice and fresh, guys. Nice and fresh. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the callaloo and I'm gonna get them ready to cut. just these little, I don't know. I grew up still doing that. But when you buy callaloo in the can, guys, they don't do that with the callaloo in the can, right? They just cut them up and steam them and put them in the can. But I grew up seeing my grandmother and my mom. I'm like, cleaning the callaloo like this. They always take off this little stringy part. Although I'm wondering, when you take off this, but the rest of the callaloo still have it. But I don't know why they do that, but we continue the tradition. Some tradition will continue, and some tradition the younger generation will continue. Like me, I don't continue everything. They cook certain way, and I say I cook Jamaican-style cooking. That make me a sellout? No, it just means that I have my own foundation and how I cook, but I don't pass everything through the door. I just do certain things different. So guys, so this is here because sometimes the bottom part right here kind of hard still. So I guess that's the reason. And it's a good idea because when you do this, it strips, you know, you go all the way down. See? So it's a lot to take off. Alright guys, so I will come back guys when I finish cleaning this callaloo. Okay guys, so I already washed the callaloo. Leave it in the bowl to drain off a little bit. Right here I'm just cleaning the onion. Guys, if you're still watching the video, please comment, subscribe and share. Tell me, drop in the comment section where you're watching from. All my subscribers, thank you for subscribing to the channel. So the first thing I'm doing guys, I'm cleaning all of the everything, take it to the sink and wash it. I know somebody in the comment section gonna say I don't wash my stuff, but I never cook without washing my stuff. The thing is guys, sometimes you can't do everything on camera because it takes up too much time. Yes guys, oh the pepper started to spoil. So I pick up this one. I should take out the seed, you know, to plant. I still can't take out the seed. Guys, yeah, I still can't take out the seed, but I'll do it later. So that's it right there. Yeah. Wash everything. So when I come back on camera, guys, after I come off to wash these stuff, when I come back on, I'm just gonna cut up everything, right? Yeah, wash it off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and cut up everything and pick up my tomato pepper seed. Okay guys, so the first thing, the callaloo is already clean and washed. So now putting them together stalk by stalk. So these are the callaloo, nice and fresh guys. So now we're gonna cut them up. Hi Baba. Even in a hub. So now we're gonna cut them up guys. Guys, as I said, these callaloo, no fertilizer, no pesticide, only sun and water. I don't know, last year I found callaloo guys, I get so much callaloo. This year, I get some little fine things. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I don't know what happened this year. Guys, my child moving the camera and saying, guys, to a Caribbean, if you go where they have Caribbean markets, you could check out for callaloo there and then you see exactly what callaloo look like. Callaloo is like spinach but more coarser, it's more coarse, and the leaves are bigger. So you could cook this with codfish, chicken, whatever you want to cook this with, you can cook it with. You can cut it up and cook it with rice.
Rice.
Yes, Baba, rice. Rice. Yeah, you can cook it with rice. Yes, rice, baby, rice. This child, guys, everything you say he beats. So right there, you just keep cutting. Get another bowl to put it in. I get my frying pan to put it in one time. Yes, guys, I said I was gonna put it in the pot now, but because I want to fry up the onion and stuff first before I put the callaloo. Yeah, so that's what it looks like when you cut it up. So guys, look at this one. Look how tall this is. See how tall it is? Yeah. This callaloo, all you get is rain and sun. Yeah. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Put the notification bell on. So when you receive, when I upload a video, you will get it. Yes, guys. So guys, you have to you have to cut them small. Don't cut them too big. They put all the seasoning. They always cut the stalk first, and then you go to the leaf. Yeah. Callaloo is very high in iron, guys. Very high in iron. Some people juice it and drink it. Some people just steam it and eat it. So guys, if you know about callaloo, drop in the comment section what do you call it in your country. In Jamaica they call it callaloo. Drop in the comment section, guys, what you call this in your country. Yes, guys, so sometimes you have to roll it together so you can get to cut the leaves. stove. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do, spread out the time in the bottom of the pot. Spread the iron in the bottom of the pot. This one is already spread. So I have some garlic. So guys, this garlic I blend it out and I keep it in the freezer. I keep it in the freezer, guys. I have some homemade scallion that I blend up also, bag it up and keep it in the freezer. Fry up, fry up. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put my sweet pepper, my onion, my tomato. So the same thing gonna put in both pots, guys. This is for the callaloo at the back. I'm gonna saute the vegetables first before. So this is, oh guys, I put all the onion in the back in the callaloo. Don't worry, I'm not gonna burn myself. So the first thing I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna fry it up. So I'm gonna let, even though the water from the tomato, I'm gonna just pour that in. Alright. And I'm gonna season. So I have some homemade pepper that I made. Spicy though, guys. Let me see how hot it is. Whoa guys, it's spicy. So that's for the sausage callaloo. Not a lot guys because it's spicy. Alright. I'm gonna put some homemade ginger. I dry the ginger guys and blend it out. So everything the same thing I put in the callaloo for the sausage. I'm putting the same thing in the callaloo. Put a little bit of dried orange peel. Yeah, I made that myself. Put some Maggi. Guys, remember I have to be careful with this one because the other one, callaloo. Guys, I need some more pepper spice. Gonna put some goya. So I'm putting a little bit of goya in there, callaloo. But I'm not using salt. Because all these powder seeds already have salt, guys. So you don't need to put salt. Put some parsley flakes. Parsley. Guys, all these stuff that I'm adding in here are stuff that I made myself. Yes. So I just buy out my urban thing and make my stuff. So let's put the what these are frying up. Yeah, let this fry. Before I put the sausage. Let me check this. So now I'm gonna put the callaloo. But I want to put the plantain first. Plantain. over. Alright. Guys, the spice. Let me put the callaloo. So guys, if we don't eat up all this callaloo, whatever left over, keep it for breakfast for another day. I might put it in the freezer. Put it in zipper and put it in the freezer. Guys, callaloo and dumpling taste good. Alright, so we're going to cover this. Let it steam. Alright. Let's store this one. So once this is finished, guys, then we're going to move this to the back and put the rice in the front. So the rice can get a little wild up quick. Alright. I'll turn off the back. Turn off the one at the back. Let's see what this needs. Wow. It need a little season, guys. Then put a little more powder season. Although I have to remember that the other one have the salt. Let me put a little pesto. Not the sausage of salt. So put pesto. So guys, that's how it look right here. I'm gonna add the sausage in and then I'm gonna cover it up for a minute. So we can sweat. Guys, I think this is a lot of sausage. It's a lot, but guess what? Whatever left over is for another day. Mix all this stuff in. Maybe I have to tip a little bit of water. Alright, let me turn the plantain. All this is going. Alright, turn the plantain. Oh, they're not fully right. I want it to fry more, bro. Let me give it some more time. It's still not brown enough. But I want my plantain nice and brown. Alright, so let's put a little tip of water. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little tip of water, guys. Alright. Cook this down. Because guys, we need gravy to eat the rice. Alright. Now guys, I wanted to put some beans in this, you know. My daughter said, no beans, no beans. Well guys, if I put beans in it, it will be too much. So guys, if you're still watching the video, please comment, subscribe and share. Alright. So, let's cover this, let it steam. Cook down. Alright, let's change. Do the plantain. Callaloo, still steam down. Change plantain. Alright, now it's getting the color I like. Alright. When I finish like this, guys, I'm gonna put the rice over. Maybe I should just put the rice over to this part, to this side of the stove. Yes, guys, so I have to move the pot because the rice wasn't boiling up. Guys, I keep switching the pot around to get the right size. Guys, even though I don't run a restaurant, boy, if I have the space, I probably would get a restaurant stove. Because these this over more, or it's not a lot of planting. Yeah, just a little bit left to one side of the pot. Let's go check on the callaloo while we're doing this. Alright guys, let's check on the callaloo. So the rice is boiling up. Alright, so mixing all the greases in the callaloo. Nice. So guys, I had 1 pot of callaloo. Now I have less than half pot of callaloo. Well, I would say half pot of callaloo. Because now that it already steamed down, it's not going to put more. So let's taste it. Let's taste it. Okay, it's nice. You could take a little more seasoning, but you could take a little more powder seasoning, but I don't want it to be salty, so I'm not going to put more powder seasoning in it. Alright, let's change the plantain. Oh no, it want to fry more. I don't like it. I like when my plantain nice and brown. Alright. Yes guys, if you're watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to put the notification bell on, so when I upload a video, you will receive it. So guys, right now you see the sausage boil down to gravy. See the nice gravy, nice gravy. So because the tomato and everything boil out and fry out, you see a nice color. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this off. Yep, that's 1 down, 2 down. Okay guys, so there goes the callaloo. Nice and green. Guys, it starts to show overcast like it's gonna rain. So that's the callaloo right there. Nice, fresh. Here goes the rice. Guys, I think I put too much rice, but I guess it will last for a couple days, 2 days, because tomorrow I'm not cooking. So that's the rice right there. I'm just gonna cover it on low and let it steam. Alright guys. Drop in the comment section guys where you're watching this video from. Yes guys, so the rice is finished. Callaloo is finished. Sausage is finished. And the plantain. So that's what was, this is what was on the menu today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe and share, put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will receive it. So guys, as I say over here, we just cook simple stuff. Today was when I do a simple stuff. I don't cook the extravagant stuff guys. I just cook as simple could be. Alright guys, so as I say, take care of yourself. Until next time guys, I have a fish and I'm eating up the fish in the microwave. Oh, sorry about that. So guys, just take care of yourself until next time, and remember that Jesus loves you and I do too. So take care of yourself. Alright guys.